Hi, I'm Jordi Puigvert, and today I'm going to show you how to clean Trittico in a very easy way. The first cleaning process I'm going to show you is the one that we usually do during the day, as for instance when we change the gelato flavor or when we switch from one product to another. I open the lid, hold the shower and put some water inside the tank. This is very important, and especially what we need to clean after the production of products with an intense color or high fat content. Obviously, if you respect a proper color taste scale, you do not need to perform this cleaning before each production. When the water reaches the temperature of about 40 degrees, I remove the stirrer and clean the tank to remove all residues. I usually prefer to remove the stirrer side blades to prevent them of being used up unnecessarily. Once the set temperature is reached, I drop about 1/4 of water into the lower tank and start the mixing process at high speed for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then empty into a bucket. I repeat the operation with another 1/4 of water and then again with the remaining water. I rinse the upper and lower tank and the front door using the shower. As you can see, the machine was cleaned in less than 10 minutes and is ready for a new production. The second cleaning process is the sanitization at the end of the working day. Now it's necessary to proceed with the cleaning process of the machine with water at high temperature and then disassemble all the components and wash them up with water and dish soap. It is not recommended to use the dishwasher for all plastic components. While reaching the sanitizing temperature, I go to clean the joint. Trittico is the only machine equipped with such a cleaning system that guarantees the total elimination of product residues in this area. Just insert the shower and turn on the water for a few seconds. The wasted water is then collected in the tray located under the machine. The procedure of washing and draining the water is the same performed previously. The hot water that goes through the internal conduit that connects the two tanks is going to effectively clean it. For a further cleaning, I position the butterfly bulb vertically, and with a special brush I clean both right and left sides. Now I move on to disassembling all components. I usually spray both tanks using a sanitizer and then rinse before reassembling all the pieces. Once cleaned and dry all components, proceed to reassemble them. When I remove the scrapers, I have to be careful to insert them correctly with the springs on the same side. There are elements of the machine that periodically must be lubricated. The O-ring of the front door, of the extraction door, the mixer seal, and the bush. I periodically lubricate the butterfly valve and the shaft. Now, I can easily reassemble all the components of the machine. At this point, the sanitization of the machine is done, and as you've seen on the previous cleaning process video, there's a big advantage on the fact that we can heat the water on the upper tank, and then we can disassemble and clean all the components of the machine in a very, very easy way without using any special tools. Hi, this is Jordi Puigvert, and I wish you a tremendous working day.